Hi guys, I just want to make a quick video about this fantastic product that helped me to stop my snoring. It's unbelievable, but I stopped my snoring with very natural ways, and it's very cool, and I can't believe it, but I don't snore more. My wife is so happy. She can so good sleep now, and that's it's the point. And I can show you right quick the site. It's the natural ways to stop snoring. It's the name from the ebook from John Brooks, and you can see it's a very good site with the good information, good videos, and it's very. I changed my sleep, and I can't believe it. Uh, it's wow. I don't know what I have to say, but this is the ebook, and it's the best ebook now on the internet. And you have nothing to lose if you snore. It's it's really that what you need. It's a natural ways tips to stop snoring and get a better sleep. And just go to this site. It's how to stop snoring remedies.com, and you have nothing to lose. Just go, see what I have to say, and that's it. Thanks guys.